You got clutch.
What's going on, people? It's your main man, Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto, back again with just a quick video. This is something that came up in the chat, and I wanted to address it. And it has something to do with NFTs. So if you look here at the screen, this is the Rich Kids project. This is a set of NFTs put out by the rapper Rich the Kid, which revealed itself, I want to say 2 days ago. So it was revealed 2 days ago, and we were able to get in on the floor of this project and was able to mint 2 of these Rich Kids. As you can see, different designs, different hair types, different, some of the dudes got dogs, some of them got money, some of them got backpacks, some of them are real fly and drippy, and some of them are kind of plain. It cover the whole spectrum. So if we come here to our profile, we can see that we have one revealed Rich Kid. He has money, he got the dog, got the skateboard and all that good stuff. In the other one, we don't have anything, right? You can see this screen here. So this guy is not revealed. So one of the things that happens, like when they do the reveal and your NFT does not get revealed, okay, we'll get that to go down. Your NFT doesn't get revealed. Well, we'll see what it's doing now. See, so it's not revealed. So what you can do is when you click down on it, you can come right here, click refresh metadata. Down here it says we queued this item for an update, check back in a minute, right? So we're going to give it about a minute. We're going to wait for it to, do its thing. And we're going to give it, just a little time for it to do its thing. And then we're going to come back to it. And what we should see is our revealed NFT, right? So this is something that I think comes up in every project that I've seen so far. And I've only seen like a handful of them. We'll look back at what I have in my collection at this point. Once we refresh this page, and hopefully when we refresh, not yet, huh? Not yet, not quite yet. Try it again. He still ain't come through. We want to see who we got. We can't see what it is right now. Let's see what we get. Let's try it again. Nope, not yet. Normally this would just work, right? Don't you want it to just work sometimes? All right, while we're waiting for that to refresh, let's go to our profile. And so let's see. Oh, there it is. See, now it's refreshed, right? So here's our new Rich Kid. Looks like both of them have dogs and skateboards. He got a little hat, little gold chain here. He got the Cuban link on him, right? And so we have a couple here in the Rich Kids project. The floor is real low there. It's a Party Apes thing that we have for some cryptocurrency that we are farming right now. These are WTF NFTs. We have a couple of happy sharks down here. And then we have our crypto dads. Our crypto dads, I think we're going to at least hold until it's time for the crypto moms. And I believe you can only get one crypto mom per wallet. So, we'll have to either do a giveaway or exchange it or something like that. We'll figure out what we're going to do with our second dad. And which one we're going to hold on to for the Crypto Mom and Crypto Tots project. Anyway, that is just a quick tutorial on how you can reveal your unrevealed NFTs once they're supposed to be revealed. I hope this is helpful. If it is, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We have more content coming to you. My name is Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto. I am for the people, by the people. You only got me and the Constitution. Remember that.